It's a partially full courtroom as the National Industrial Court gives a verdict on the interlocutory injunction filed by the federal government against the Academic Staff Union of Universities over their 7 months industrial action. The lecturers are demanding for improved funding for universities, a review of salaries for lecturers, among other issues. After 3 adjournments, Justice Polycarp Haman orders the union to suspend the strike pending the determination of the substantive suit. Justice Haman held that the industrial action is detrimental to public university students who cannot afford to attend private tertiary institutions. He also agrees with the federal government that Nigerian students have fundamental rights to education and should not be deprived of their right because of the strike. He says the Trade Dispute Act mandates workers not to embark on strike once an issue has been referred to the industrial court. The judge also refused to fine the federal government as demanded by ASUU.
The ruling by the Honorable Court is very consistent with rule of law. It's also a recognition of the fundamental role that education plays in development, in national development, in economic development. And also, it recognizes the fact that without education, there will be no rule of law. I thank the judiciary for saving educational development. What has happened is that the past 7 months, educational development has been halted, particularly in public universities in Nigeria, which ought not to be.
The judgment has come. It has come. The court has ruled that members of ASUU are restrained from continuing the strike action and that they should return back to the classrooms pending the determination of the substantive suit. As per the next action, there are quite a number of options open to the union. We will study the ruling with the legal team, and then we will adopt the most appropriate option.
Justice Polycarp Haman thereafter ordered that the case file be returned to the president of the court for reassignment to another judge for hearing of the substantive matter.